Christmas decorating with pets can be a challenge, especially when it comes to the Christmas tree. Pets love to explore, so it's important to keep them safe while protecting your tree and decorations. Pets and Christmas trees don't always mix. Your cat might climb your Christmas tree. Your dog might knock it over. Curious pets may knock off ornaments or drink the tree water. Choose a sturdy tree stand for stability and avoid flocked or glitter-covered trees that pets might chew on. Real tree needles are mildly toxic, so be sure to clean up fallen needles regularly. Consider placing your tree in a corner, using pet fencing, or even anchoring it to the wall to prevent accidents. Avoid edible ornaments and fragile glass decorations. Use shatterproof ornaments instead. Secure them with short ribbons or yarn instead of metal hooks. Use LED candles to avoid open flames. Tape down electrical cords and train your pet to avoid the tree. With these tips, you and your pets can enjoy a safe and festive holiday season. Happy decorating! Visit Christmas Central for all your Christmas decorating needs.